there. Wow, you can do that? Hey guys, what's going on? My name is FimeMD and I'm a user experience designer in Toronto, and today we're gonna talk about Adobe XD June 2019 update. So before I keep talking and talking and talking, let's just get right to it. Okay, so Adobe XD has some cool features, so let's go check that out. Most importantly, Adobe XD has this awesome plugin feature, and now there are two ways to find this plugin or apply it. Number one is it is right below on your left side layers icon. So this is your layers, so you guys should be very familiar. It is right at the bottom. There we go. And it says discover plugins. I have uninstalled my plugins, so I can show you guys how it looks from the get-go. So that is one way. And number two is you can click on the hamburger menu, go all the way to the bottom, and you see right here discover plugins. Bang, model appears, and that is it. Very simple. So that's that. Okay, so one awesome thing is Lorem Ipsum. I can never spell his name right. Okay, Lorem Ipsum is now in the plugin. I will install that. Bang. And FYI, those of you who do not know what a plugin really is, it pretty much saves you a lot of time as a UI designer. So if you want to look for images, content fillers, there's so many cool things here. So don't just go for Lorem Ipsum, like find other cool plugins that may save your life. Like for example, user profile. That's awesome, something that I use. I personally used to go to a website for this. Now I have a plugin for it. Saves me a lot of time. This time which will save like 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. In the long run, you literally save half an hour looking for stuff which these guys already have. So that's pretty cool. Let's exit that. And now let's apply it. So I'm just gonna click this, make it lock. I want this type of content style in here because they're all the same card. FYI, this is a project that I was working on. It's completed, so I decided to just apply it here. Okay, so we click on the text format. You can press T or click there. Oh, by the way, check this out. I do this. I didn't type anything. I click on the arrow. Boom. The layer is gone. That's awesome. That's awesome. Usually you would have to manually delete that layer again. Now you do not have to do it anymore. Click here, go all the way. I don't know, press Q and boom. Awesome. And if you want, you can make it as the same as possible. So we can just do, let's see, that. And what else we have? Yeah, we got everything else covered here. Look at that. Literally saved me a lot of time. Before this plugin, I literally had to like type these things out myself. So I no longer have to do that. Bang. Okay, so that was that. And in terms of the user profile, just click on the image and bang. Look at that. Another one. You don't like that? Another one. You don't like that? Another one. Yeah, so it's pretty cool stuff. Definitely not gonna save this work because it's, yeah. Okay, so moving on. Number 2 update. It's Jira 2.0. I personally do not use Jira, therefore I'm not gonna go too deep into it. What is it? It's this new integration makes additional information about Adobe XD documents like the number of artboards or avatars available in Jira. So it's even easier to collaborate. You can go to the website and find out what Jira is all about, and if you guys like it, Adobe XD has the plugin for it. You know, it would be kind of cool if every single one of them had like a demo link, like view demo, view demo, view demo, view demo, and after that it could say like right beside it, install plugin, install plugin, install plugin, like install plugin, like it's like super simple. Adobe XD, if you are watching this, please hire me and I can enhance the user experience of this website. Simple stuff, like a link exactly like this, putting it right here, view demo, and another one right beside it, install plugin. Sad. All right, now moving on to number 3. Now this is my favorite. My number 3 is here. Where should I do this? Where should I do this? Let's go ahead and do it right here. Okay, it's called the superscripts. If you are a designer like me, before Adobe XD, Sketch, and all those type of softwares were invented. The days when we used to do UI design on Photoshop or Illustrator, like you know that we used Superscript all day, any day. So that feature is finally now on Adobe XD, and I'm so excited, so happy that I don't have to manually do it anymore. Superscript is something that you can add on a price number, trademark, and things like that. It is right here. Before, these were not there, so this is one right here, Superscript, and another one, Subscript. That's it. There you go. Okay, now let's go back into it. Superscript, right? Oops, this made the whole thing Superscript. What am I doing? There we go. Bang. So much better. But do this for something else, not for DR. That's, yeah. Last but not least, number 4. Let's go back to the site. Okay, here we go. Property Inspector Improvement. Now, prototype mode supports the Property Inspector, which lets you show property options for a selected object and perform operations at scale across multi-artboards. What the hell does that mean? Let me show you guys once again. Just view demo mode, guys. Come on, that's simple. So if you're someone that used the prototype mode on Adobe XD, you will love this. I still use InVision, by the way. I'm still in love with it. I haven't made my full transition on Adobe XD's prototype platform yet. I do sometimes. If I'm working with other designers and they have already used it, then I carry on with it. Okay, you see this blue arrow thingy? Bang. Before, there used to be a small tiny modal, right, where you can adjust your information. Now it has its own sidebar on the right side. So as you can see, all this information, they're all here. They are all here, right? Look at that. That's awesome. I do not know why they didn't think of this in the very beginning, but you know what? Some things that can be obvious doesn't mean that it's easier to figure out. So I'm very happy that they have applied it on the right hand side. I personally was not a fan of the modal. So this is great stuff, and yo, that is it. Take it away, Fahim. Thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope the information that I provided about the Adobe XD update was very helpful to you guys. And if you guys have any questions, you already know. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon, and like this video. Peace out.